A.
Ah.
One enemy remaining.
What did I everybody? So today I was playing Valorant ranked and came across a pair of birds in my ranked game. So I decided to clickbait the YouTube community and make a video about it.
Reese's Pieces are the lifesaver gummy.
Bro, what?
One enemy remaining.
That's not really.
Get out of my way!
Uh-oh. Ow!
Welcome to my world. Reese's Pieces are the lifesaver gummy. If you bite them, they're gone.
Spike plant.
You hoped for.
Last player standing.
No more doubt.
Mm-hmm.
Go, go, go!
That's not ready. This should do.
Reloading!
Last player standing.
Bro. Oh my gosh.
All set up.
Bro.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Fight's not over, you know.
Bro.
Nice.
Watch out! Take this!
Spike planted.
Coming through! I'm out of here!
One enemy remaining. Last player.
Huh?
Oh, nice.
I'm working.
Wait, are you guys using voice changers or like sound effects, soundboards? I can't tell them. This is wild, bro. Good job, guys. Good job, man.
Can I get by?
Got you. Are you guys birds? Birds.
Nowhere to run! Teleport's broken.
Guys, I think my teammates are Minecraft villagers. What should I do? Oh no.
A.
Ah.
One enemy remaining.
Almost done. Shock it.
What did I just watch, bro?
Last
What?
round in the half.
No point saving.
What?
Eyes all.
Bro. Why are you guys doing this?
Hit 80 on Sova. Yeah. They're all there.
Heading, soldier.
The sky, bro.
I get away with these things.
Bro.
Yeehaw.
Last player standing.
Come on, Sky. Come on, Sky. You had that, Sky, man. You should have won that, man. Yeah. You just got... Are you guys crying or angry or? I can't hear, bro. Guys, please. Are you guys okay?
That's a good spot.
I'm gonna be real honest. My throat, I can't anymore. My throat, man. I can't.
Sounds like you were in pain, man.
Bro, my throat hurts so bad.
The fucking.
Reloading.
Someone's A. Smoke's down.
Oh no.
Enemy
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What's going on?
Up on bell, up on my body.
Oh.
Enemy A.
Bro, I just tried. Oh my gosh, my throat.
Alright, what's this?
Thank you.
Like,
Well, it's nice to be talking to real people, not birds, honestly.
shut up.
Shut up! We weren't birds.
So what were you then?
Up.
Your mom.
I'm about to hit chat. Look at this.
30
I got
What?
A.
No, that went straight through him.
Oh no. My bad. 12 seconds.
You gotta go for him if you're gonna go for him.
Nah, just bang. Bang.
Spike planted.
No.
You nincompoop. Bro, we were doing. We're communicating. How did you not understand any of our comms?
By the way, you explain it. You were calm, bro.
But you guys were giving comms the whole time?
Yeah, those were comms.
Darn, I missed all of them, my bad. What? I can't get over it, so it's funny.
Here we go.
Remaining.
Got the spike.
Unknown. He was B or A, my bad.
He was your mom. Haha.
30 seconds left.
You're better, man.
Nothing I can say but GG.
Not again! Thank you
How
very
does it
much.
feel to be flashed?
Thank you very much.
Reloading.
Thank you very much. Good shot. Nothing I can say but good shot. GG. Good.
Thanks.
40 on good shot. GG.
Wait,
good.
knifer, knife, knife him, knife him. Oh my god,
Not a
so
knife,
bad.